What's up, guys? It's Cole Arrington here, and tonight we are working on the Renegade. Got a new exhaust in the mail today. I just got off work. It's a little dark outside, but we'll get this done. I just got the BigGun Evo U single series, just the slip-on. I didn't get the full system, and I did not get the fuel optimizer because in about 3 weeks, this bike is going to Wicked Customs down in Louisiana. Gonna get CV Tech primary, STM secondary, and we're gonna put it on a dyno and get the perfect tune on it for this exhaust with those clutches with these tires. So I'll probably just set you guys up on a tripod right there. It's really not a hard install. All you have to do is on your stock exhaust right here, there is a little clamp, kind of like that one. You just take it off, and then right here, there's a bolt. You take that bolt out. There's supposed to be one there, but mine's missing. And then once you do that, you basically just grab this exhaust, yank it backwards. Pretty sure you have to loosen up the bumper, lift up on it, or let down on it, whatever, to get this exhaust out. But yeah, I'll just throw you guys up on a tripod, and we'll do a little time lapse of me trying to figure out how to install this exhaust on this Renegade because I've never done it before. So I will see you guys after the time lapse. Well, I got the damn rear bumper off. Got to take the rear rack off to get the bumper off. And that hunk of junk finally came out. I didn't ever think I was going to get it because the bolt that goes right there, the head of it stripped out, it was, well, it actually broke. Yeah, there that is. But it's like, let's see, it's like these crappy bolts right here. Those Torx head bolts, T40. I hate those things. If you buy a Canam, every time you take one of those out, you should replace it with a normal bolt. But yeah, we got the exhaust out, so we're about to start putting the BigGun in and get it together. And let's get you guys set back over the time lapse, and I'll see you whenever this is in for a sound test. So we got the exhaust put on. I think it looks pretty good. There it is. So let's get a first start up. I don't want to rev it up. My parents are asleep, but it sounds pretty good for just being a 570. Hope everybody enjoyed. This was not fun. I'm not gonna lie. If you're gonna do this, be patient with it. It's not fun. Taking that rear bumper off is definitely not fun, and putting it back on is even not funner. So if you're gonna do this yourself, just have patience. You'll get it eventually, I promise. But it's on there. Hopefully I never have to take it off or put a new one on again, because that sucked. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think we're going to go riding at Rats this weekend, so there might be a riding video in the next week or so. Hope everyone did enjoy, and peace out.